I'm Dr. Ashoojit Kaur Anand. I'm a palliative care specialist and I run this program called Aveksha, which is a home-based primary care. And my clinical based practice is at PCMH Restore Health at Sheshadripuram. I'm passionate about improving quality of life of people who are suffering because of an illness. It could be short-time illness, it could be a long-term illness too. Well, the palliative care starts with the diagnosis of a chronic illness or a long-term illness which does not have a cure, and it continues even beyond the death of the person. So it starts with the diagnosis, continues through the treatment of the patient, and then continues at the end of life, and then continues as something called the bereavement support for the family. So it is not just the care of the dying, but care of an individual, improving the quality of life of an individual by offering the palliative care. So it is taking care of his entire spectrum by taking care of his pain, his daily needs, his daily requirement, and his emotional needs, his spiritual needs. All this are offered in what is called the palliative care. Also, along with that is what is the symptom relief. The symptom relief from any symptom. It could be when a person is suffering, and it could be the nausea, vomiting, pain, or it could be anything which is related to his physical body symptoms, or like I said, the mental and the spiritual aspect also. That is palliative care.